Welcome to Insight. The goal for today is to know the basics about Insight applications, have the ability to navigate the applications, and know where to get help. To get started using the Aloha Enterprise website, you should have received a welcome email from your implementation analyst or customer service manager with your website address, usually your company name.alohaenterprise.com, your login credentials, and who to contact if you have questions during the onboarding process. Insight training classes are available daily and monthly in 1 hour or 30-minute sessions. The classes starting with a 1 are hour-long classes, and a 6 are 30-minute classes. Some classes require prerequisites, so please attend the Level 1 classes before attending the Level 2 and 3. Let's take a look at some of the technology behind the scenes. Insight is the repository for the activities made on the Aloha POS. The terminals communicate with the backup house, where all the transactions that occurred for that day are stored. The backup house then sends the information to your Insight database. It is important to understand when your end-of-day runs to know when to pull reports. Pulling reports before end-of-day has occurred will result in inaccurate data or no data. When the information has been uploaded, reports are ready to be viewed. POS configuration affects the data coming into Insight. If you are planning on using a payroll export such as Paychex or ADP, you will want to understand the importance of POS configuration. As an admin or primary contact, it is important to understand configuration and management of the Aloha Enterprise site. You need to know security class setup, user setup, and how to reset passwords. Please attend training course 1.2 Aloha Insight System Setup Overview or 6.3 Alerts and Security Settings. Important modules for an admin to understand are company calendar, sales reporting modules, and sales calculations. Let's begin. Logging into your website is the first step. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link to have a new password sent to your email address on file. To validate your email, go to System Setup, My Settings, and validate your email is correct. If it's not correct, enter in a new email and select Save. Let's take a look at the applications available in Insight. Alerts provide information about actions happening in your restaurant that you need to know about. Some popular alerts are Unsettled Credit Card Batch, Weekly Labor Alert, and Weekly Net Sales Alert. Some navigation tips while configuring alerts is that any line item can be configured to be an alert. A line item is stored information in the database table such as comp count. This line item will return the comp count for a date range you've selected. In this example, we are going to use the Unsettled Credit Card Batch Net Amount by Card Type line item. The line item descriptions are in the help documentation in Frequently Asked Questions. Select the magnifying glass to get an instant definition. Select the binoculars to search for related items. Let's look at audit exception configuration. Use the audit exception wizard to define thresholds for exceptions that define acceptable behaviors. When a transaction does not meet the expected behavior, it will be logged. Using the audit exception reporting, you will be able to identify who is going outside the measures. The check detail viewer assists you in researching checks by location, date, time, check number, and by filters. Stores transfer data to Insight in addition to the end-of-day event, called Current Day Polling, or CDP. If you do not know when your CDP events are scheduled, please contact your implementation analyst or customer service manager. The custom line item application allows you to perform your own formulas to calculate a line item. A line item is stored information in the database that represents sales, categories, or tender, to name a few. For example, tender dollars by tender type line item will return information about tender calculations based on the type of tender you selected and the date range. To build my own calculation of a line item, I can combine two line items together or add a formula. For example, I want to add credit card type plus tips together for a report I'm building. By simply selecting the line item tender dollars by tender type and adding the non-cash tips by tender type, I get the calculation I require. Tender dollars by tender type is found in payments. Non-cash tips by tender type is found in tips. I can test my line item by selecting a store and the date range and click Test. And then I save my results. Dashboard is the newest Insight application. This beta version provides data in a more robust and interactive graphical view, enabling you to make decisions based on quick-to-understand metrics. Key Metrics measures data to compare to a date range displayed for easy comprehension of data comparisons. Key Metrics helps you validate decisions you've made. For example, if you ran a promotion company-wide yesterday, to see its effectiveness, you would want to see that sales are up for the same day last week. Key Graphs displays sales and labor. Comparisons by store are all stores. Store labor displays hours worked by store by employee. The product chart displays the top-selling items by category by store. The All Metrics grid displays a wealth of information, providing drag and drop features, and allows you to export the data. Don't want to pull reports? Drill Down Viewer uses a report layout format to view data for a particular date or date ranges. After making your selection, click Go. Then select the store you want to view. The drill-down viewer categorizes the data by type. We have category sales, promos, hourly sales, voids, menu items, payments, labor, deposits, schedule, revenue centers, comps, and sales by order mode. You can drill down to get more information. Simply click on the item that you're interested in and click down to the level of detail you want to see. Dynamic Drill Down Viewer is an interactive reporting tool that allows people within your organization to view and analyze data that is important to them. For example, a store manager may need to see weekly sales data. As a store manager, I would select store sales and use the arrows to view the weeks I'm interested in. If I'm a human resource manager, I may need to know the number of hours worked by each employee during the last payroll cycle. By selecting stores with labor, I can see information about the store's labor hours. Using Dynamic Drill Down Viewer, you can create drill down tabs and pages specific to each job function, allowing each person to quickly access the data they need to effectively perform their job. The Manager Logbook communicates daily tasks to employees using the Logbook application. Using the Manager Logbook configuration, you can define shift definitions, shift change, performance log categories, daily specials, and reminders. Projected sales are used for comparing actual sales with planned sales to assist in scheduling labor and product preparation. Prerequisites for projected sales reporting is to enter the schedule in the Aloha Scheduler tool. Budgeted sales must be uploaded to your database. Ask support for budget sales import process to get started. The Reports Builder enables you to create custom reports. Aloha Insight provides numerous industry standard reports to use. However, Reports Builder enables you to build reports based on the information and format you deem important. You determine the format, the headings, and the line items on the report. The Report Builder is a robust tool providing format options. If you are planning on integrating with a general ledger, the Reports Builder provides the necessary format to import the data to your third-party tool. Simply select the report format you are looking for, such as QuickBooks, ARS. Name the report, and begin building your report. For other types of reporting, if you don't know what report format you need, the Help section provides a report-style quick reference guide. Reports Viewer enables you to view industry standard reporting online, or schedule them to be emailed to you or a predefined group. This enables you and your managers to make informed and timely decisions about your business. Let's take a look at a report. If I'm tracking comps, for instance, I want to find a report that provides me information about the comps that occurred for yesterday. If I'm not sure what's in the report, I can click on Example. If this is the report I'm looking for, I click on Next. The scheduling tool will walk me through each step to get the desired result. To select the store I am tracking, I click on Store. Select the Report Settings tab to define the date range, the Report Send options, and how the report to display in other report options. The Report Schedule tab allows me to define when I want the report to run. How often I want it to be delivered, and the group I want the report to be sent to. If I'm sending it to a report subscriber group, I need to make sure I check the email the report at a defined schedule. Once the report is scheduled, it will display on the portal under Scheduled Reports. We understand there are many reports. If you can't find a report, go to the help documentation and click on Insight Reports Guide. The table of contents shows you what report is available in each section. To easily find a subject you are looking for, such as comps, use the search feature to navigate through the document. To get more training on applications, please go to the training schedule and sign up. If you are interested in payroll and general ledger integration, please attend training courses 6.2 Payroll Integration Overview and 6.1 General Ledger Integration Overview. Today we learned about the basics of Insight, how to navigate the applications, and where to get help. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's session. We appreciate your business. Don't forget to sign up for your next training class. If you have any questions, please contact your Hosted Solutions representative or support at alohaenterprise.com.